Hi friends, we're going to work on list 2 now from our high frequency words. We're going to say the word 3 times and we're going to sound it out and talk about the first word is one. One. This is probably one of the trickiest words because the N says N, but the rest of the letters in this word don't really make sense. If we segment it, it sounds like this. One. A sentence we could use is, I have one pet at home. The next word is me. Me. The M says and the E says E because that's an open syllable and the E could run away. So we say E. E. A sentence we could use is, reading is fun for me. The next word is come. Come. This word looks like comb if it follows the magic E rule, but it doesn't. In this word, the C says k, the O says the M says and the E is silent. K, And a sentence we could use is, will you come over and play? The next word is red. Red. In this word, all of the letters say their normal sounds. D. The sentence we could use is, Clifford is a big red dog. The next word is jump. Jump. And all the letters in this word say their normal sounds. The J says J, U says M says P says P, J, P. Jump. And a sentence we could use is, I can jump high. The next word is here. Here. This is a magic E word, so the E is going to say E, the E in the middle, and the E at the end is going to be silent. Here. And a sentence we could use is, my friend sits here. The next word is also a magic E word, and the A is going to say A, the E is going to be silent. Make. A sentence we could use is, I like to make cookies. The next word is two. This is kind of a tricky word. The T says T, the W is silent, and the O says ooh. Ooh. A sentence we could use is, I have 2 parents. The next word is run. Run. The letters in this word all say their normal sounds. Run. A sentence we could use is, I like to run fast. The next word is three. Three. The TH says th, the R says R, and the EE, which is a vowel team, says E. Three. A sentence we could use is, there are 3 people I play with at recess. 3. The next word is my. My. The M in this word says M, and the Y says I. The Y in this word acts like a vowel, and sometimes Y can say I at the end of the word. I. A sentence we could use is, my baby brother is 3 years old. My. The next word is big. Big. The letters in this word all say their normal sounds. Big. And a sentence we could use is, my school is big. The next word is blue. Blue. This word, the B says B, the L says L, and the UE says ooh, which is a vowel team. Ooh. And a sentence we could use is, the sky is blue. The next word is where. Where. In this word, the WH is a digraph, so it says w, and the ERE says air. Air. Where. A sentence we could use is, where are the scissors? Next word is away. Away. This word, the A says the W says w, and the AY is a vowel team, so it says A, w, A. A sentence we could use is, my aunt lives far away. The next word is help. Help, help, help. All the letters in this word say their normal sounds. Oop. Help. A sentence we could use is, if you're not sure how to do something, you can ask for help. Next word is yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. In this word, the Y says y, the E says the LL says l, and the OW says o. Y, l, o. A sentence we could use is, I saw a beautiful yellow parakeet at the zoo. The next word is play. Play, play, play. In this word, the P says P, the L says L, the AY says A because it's a vowel team. A, play. A sentence we could use is, I love to play at the Children's Museum. The next word is find. Find, find, find. In this word, the I is going to say its long sound or its name. The F says F, the I says I, the N says N, and the D says D. Find. And a sentence we could use is, will you help me find my paper? The last word on this list is funny. Funny, funny, funny. The F says F, the U says the NN says N, and the Y says E. Sometimes Y can say E at the end of a word. E. And a sentence we could use is, you might think Mrs. Cucci sounds kind of funny reading these lists. All right, friends, that's it for list 2.